Today's video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how you can program a machine number onto a SR-S500, SR-S4000, SR-C550 or 4500 register. Obviously in this demonstration I'm using the 500, but the process is the same across all four models. The reason why you might want to program a machine number is simply that you have multiple tills and it's easier to identify where the Z report came from if each machine has a distinguishing number. Dead straightforward process, it's covered in the manual and I'm going to follow the example in the manual exactly. So it's key round to the PGM position, arrow down to system settings. When that's highlighted, press CA amount 10 to enter, then free subtotal, followed by 02, 22 and subtotal. You then enter the number of your machine, so the example shown in the manual is 1, 2, 3, 4, but it could be 1, it could be 10, it could be whatever number you decide. CA amount 10 up to 4 digits, I should point out, and then subtotal. You get a little receipt printout confirming your programming, and then you can turn the key back to the register mode. Now whenever you do a Z report or any type of report on the register, that number will be displayed on the report, helping identification and reconciliation. For more information on programming using the latest and oldest Casio cash registers, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.